Operation Sindoor is more than just a military success. It's a declaration that India will not tolerate terrorism in any form. As the nation stands united, Pakistan continues to peddle fake narratives. Just like in Kargil, Pakistan is once again trying to rewrite the truth. But the world has seen through the lies. India, meanwhile, moves ahead with strength and clarity, determined to protect its people and uphold the dignity of every citizen. Take a look.
The streets of India echoed with patriotic fervour as the Tiranga rally surged across the nation, a vibrant display of unity and strength. This outpouring of pride marked the backdrop of Operation Sindoor, a bold, decisive strike against Pak-sponsored terrorism, crafted with precision to achieve military, political and psychological objectives. Indian forces executed a precise operation, demolishing terrorist camps in Bahawalpur, Muridke and Muzaffarabad. With each target reduced to rubble, country's resolve to eradicate terrorism was unmistakable. In a moment of gratitude, Prime Minister Modi visited Air Force Station Adampur, honouring the brave soldiers. Earlier, while addressing the nation, PM Modi emphasized the world had witnessed the strength of a united India, ready to rise against any threat.
इस आतंकी हमले के बाद सारा राष्ट्र, हर नागरिक, हर समाज, हर वर्ग, हर राजनीतिक दल एक स्वर में आतंक के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई के लिए उठ खड़ा हुआ। हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है।
As India celebrates the success of Operation Sindoor, the shadow of Pakistan's long history of lies looms large. From its involvement in the Kargil war to its continued refusal to confront the truth, Pakistan's record is marred by dishonesty and deception. During the Kargil conflict, a particularly telling moment emerged when Pakistan's leadership refused to take back the bodies of its soldiers even after their defeat. The situation was not just a humanitarian tragedy, but also a glaring example of Pakistan's tendency to deny its actions even in the face of irrefutable evidence. Just as it did in Kargil, Pakistan is now trying to deflect blame, defy the truth and peddle a narrative of victimhood despite being the sponsor of terror.
पाकिस्तान की एक पुरानी आदत है, वो एक झूठ का पुतला है। वो अपने लोगों को सच नहीं बताता। वो एक ऐसा मुल्क है जिसने करगिल लड़ाई के अंदर अपने शहीद जो हुए फौजी उनके लेने से, उनकी बॉडी लेने से इनकार कर दिया। उन्होंने कहा जी ये तो हमारे है ही नहीं। तो उस मुल्क के ऊपर क्या यकीन कर सकते हो आप? उनके क्या इनके एस्टेब्लिशमेंट पे यकीन कर सकते हो जो एक फौजी की जो बॉडी नहीं लेता उसके बाद में? वो तो हिंदुस्तान ने फिर फुल मिलिट्री ऑनर्स के साथ उनके जो है संस्कार किए हैं यहाँ पे।
Operation Sindoor has shown the world that India will not tolerate terrorism in any form. It has sent a clear message. India's strength lies not only in its military might, but in its unwavering commitment to protect its people and its values. While Pakistan continues to live in denial, India moves forward, united in its resolve to defeat terror and defend its sovereignty.